Hello, my name is Mohammad Jilani. I am from CSE B section. My topic is about 4G wireless system. Introduction of 4G wireless system. The chi-square test is one of the most commonly used non-parametric tests in which the sampling distribution of the test statistics is chi-square distribution. When the null hypothesis is true, it was introduced by Karl Pearson as a test of association. The Greek letter x square is used to denote the test. It can be applied when there are few or no about the population parameter. It can be applied a characteristical data of equivalent data using a table used to equivalent samples and properties. Chi-square distribution is called a chi-square distribution, and chi-square has the k degrees of freedom in which distribution of sum of the squares of k independent standard normal random variables. It is determined by the Greek of freedom. The simple test chi-squared distribution is the square of standard normal distribution. The chi-square distribution is used primarily in the hypothesis testing. The chi-square distribution has the properties like the mean of distribution is equal to the number of degrees of freedom. Mu is equal to V. The frequency is equal to 2 times the number of degrees of freedom. Pi square is equals to 2 into V. The distribution is not symmetrical and all the values are positively. The distribution is described by degrees of freedom. For each degrees of freedom, we have a symmetric curves. As the degrees of freedom increases, the chi-square curve have the normal distribution. Cumulative probability and chi-square distribution. The chi-square distribution is constructed to the total area under the square is equal to 1. The area under the curve between 0 and a particular chi-square value is cumulative probability associated with an chi-square value. Example, we have the shaded R represented the ultimate probability associated with a chi-square statistics equal to a, that is, it is an probability that we have value of chi-square. Statistic will a fall between 0 and a. The table of contingency. A contingency table is type of a table in a matrix format that displays the frequency distribution of variables. They provide a basic picture of interaction between two variables and can help find interactions between them. The chi-square statistics compares the observing count it in each table cell. The count which has accepts under the assumptions of association. Degrees of freedom, the number of independent pieces of information which are free to vary that go into a estimate of a parameter is called the degrees of freedom. In general, the degrees of freedom of an estimated of a parameter is equal to the number of independent scores that go into estimate minutes, the number of parameters used to step in the estimation of parameter itself. N1 degrees of freedom since it is compute to the n random scores and it is one parameter estimated an intermediate step which is sample mean. The number of degrees freedom of an observation is n of k and it is usually denoted by v, where k is the number of independent linear construction imposed upon them. It is the only parameter of chi-square distribution. The degrees of freedom for chi-squared containing table can be calculated as the chi-square test is used to determine whether there is a significance between the accept frequency and the observed. The value of x square is calculated as the observation frequency are the frequencies obtained from the observations which the sample frequency that accepts frequency are calculated frequently. Characteristics of chi-square that it is often regarded as a non-parametric test where no parametric regarding the redigity of populations are required such as mean the st. It is based on frequency. It is encompass the additivity probability of difference between the observed and accept frequency. It tests the hypothesis and the independence of attributes. It is preferred in analyzing complex category tables. Thank you.